So I need a glass of wine to make this video. I need to take a sip. Okay, y'all. You know how sometimes you just need a glass of wine so you can relax. We're just gonna go ahead and start with that intro. So hey beautiful people, my name is Kiera Wane, or Kiki for short. I decided to make a short video just explaining to everybody what my channel is about so everyone's not confused. My channel is basically a channel that displays everything that I can do, all of my talent. The channel will have two sections. So one part of the channel will be my singing, because I do sing. The other half of my channel will be videos about my beauty, you know, a beauty vlog. My singing videos will be in one playlist, and then I will have all of the beauty videos, the beauty vlogging, all of that will be on another playlist. I am a licensed cosmetologist. I've been a licensed cosmetologist for about 6 years now. A lot of people, when I tell them that I have been a cosmetologist for 6 years, they don't believe me because, you know, they say I look pretty young, which I am. I'm not that old. I'm 25, and I'm definitely not scared to share my age because I know I look good. But I am 25, and I have been doing hair since I was 18. So, you know, I have a lot of experience. I worked in about 3 or 4 different salons. I worked at Smart Styles, was my very first salon job that I ever had. I was actually a manager at Smart Styles for about a year, maybe 2 years. After that, I worked at Miko's shop. I don't know if she's watching this, but shout out to her. But I worked at Miko's shop and I did booth rent. So I basically rented a chair. I was basically my own boss. I rented a chair. I was able to set my own hours. I had my own clientele. Another job I had was working at Great Clips. Not the one I'm at now. This was a different Great Clips. I worked at 2 different Great Clips. I worked at Great Clips for about 1.5 years. Between working at Smart Styles and Great Clips, I also had a baby. So I do have a 2-year-old. He's the love of my life. He's my joy. And so that's some of the reason why I've decided to just slow down on doing hair, because I'm just real focused on being a mother and taking care of my baby and making these videos for y'all. And so I just decided to kind of slow down on hair and, you know, just put my focus elsewhere. Some of the things that I do make wigs. So this one, for example, is one of the ones that I made. I'll also upload videos of that just to kind of show you guys my process for making my wigs. I will upload videos of my nail art. I also am doing different things like skincare. I'll upload my skincare videos, natural hair videos. I am natural underneath this wig, so I am kind of working on, you know, getting my natural hair growing and getting it long and pretty, and I'll upload that journey with you guys as well. I want to be able to help people out, because I know me, sometimes when I need a little help with something, I just go look up a YouTube video. If I need to know how to make a wig, look up a YouTube video. If I need to know how to do a certain nail technique or nail art, I look up a YouTube video. So I just want to go ahead and be the one to make those videos for y'all, because I just feel like there's no point of me having this license if I'm not able to utilize it and share, at least share the information I have with everyone else, just to help everyone out with their hair, their nails, their skin. Because I know a lot of these things are tough. Like skincare is hard as hell. Natural hair is not easy. I'm working on that too. Like I am working on a lot, and I just want to be able to go through the journey with you guys. And I just want to grow a whole YouTube family. Like, I just want a YouTube family that can come to my channel and feel comfortable enough to go through this with me. I'm gonna be very transparent. So when y'all see my hair under this wig, that's a lot of transparency right there, because a lot of people are not willing to take their wig off and show you their hair underneath, but I am. I'm willing to show you me with no makeup. I don't even have makeup on right now. I feel like there's more that I need to tell you. I don't know, I can't really think of anything else. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. It's just a channel to just display all my talent with you guys, and I'm really excited about it. I'm really excited to share my information. I'm excited to get new subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel if you're interested in any of the things that I'm sharing. Feel free to subscribe down below. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can know when I upload new videos, because I know you want to see these videos. So go ahead and notify yourself. And yeah, just subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.